Satellite technology is changing the world of search and rescue in underserved off-grid extreme terrain regions, as Maricopa County search and rescue volunteer and senior software engineer Jason Swenke told me. Despite ham repeaters, his team still faces communication dead zones within the lakes and ravines that they serve. As satellite technology is rapidly gaining public accessibility, such as through the iPhone satellite function, it is highly likely for it to be further incorporated into search and rescue doctrine. A hurdle to official use of this newly affordable mobile technology is the lack of reliability. You need definitive proof that that message will go through while you're in that ravine or mountain range. Hopefully, corporate operators like Viasat's Inmarsat, Garmin's Iridium, and Apple's Globalstar can volunteer location data of their static geo and dynamic LEO networks in order to create an organized map for search and rescue of where their technology can effectively be used. My proposal is a software program using ray tracing calculations of the locations of communication satellites and 3D geographical terrain models. I would create a map of when specific coordinates will be shadowed from different satellite networks. This here is a Google Earth model near Mount Rainier. This is a 3D print model of it. Satellite communication needs line of sight to work, so just like light, mountain ranges can shadow and thus block the radio communication signal from satellites. Shadowing to a LEO satellite, such as Starlink, can be modeled by this, showing how at different times different locations would be shadowed depending on the position of the satellite, modeled by the changing position of the light. For this, my framework would output either timetables or dynamic shading to represent the changing nature of when places are shadowed. Shadowing by geo networks such as Inmarsat would be static, so there would be no need for a timetable of when terrain is shadowed. This would make it more reliable for base camps and more permanent operations, and it would be output onto a simple map.